Hello everyone and welcome to another special edition of Friday Fast Facts. I'm your host Josh Kerbach and today we're going to look back at some of the highlights of 2018. So stay tuned for a year in review at Original One Parts. Alright, coming in at number 10, we're going to buzz all the way back to episode number 4, where in-house engineer Sean Higgs shows us exactly what we do with all of the parts that don't pass the rigorous testing here at Original One. So Avery, what is it that we do with our parts that do not make the cut?
You know, Josh, I'm not really sure, but I think we've got an expert here in the studio today.
That's a great point, Avery. Hey, let's welcome in Sean Higgs, our head engineer and head of quality control. Sean, come on out.
Hey guys, great to see you.
Great seeing you, Sean. So, Sean, Avery has a question for you.
Sean, what happens to all these parts that don't pass our certification process?
So guys, that is a great question. Here at Original One, we have a highly technical, multi-stage certification process that each part goes through before it leaves the building. And if you wouldn't mind opening that trash can for me. So this is exactly what we do with bad parts.
Wow, that is great, Sean. Thanks for stopping by.
Any questions?
That should do it for us.
Avery?
Always a
See ya.
pleasure.
Josh?
All right, for number 9, we're going to rewind all the way to episode number 2, where Avery Hodge shows you the importance of hanging on to the original packaging. Not just for your Original One parts, but for many vendors and suppliers out there. Hang on to that box until you're positive that you need the part. 99, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Avery! I'm going to get him this time. Oh, Avery!
Hey, Josh!
Hi, Avery. All right, for our number 8 clip, we're going to rewind to episode number 12, where Brian Drehorst shares with us the different part types in the industry and the importance of choosing the right part type for your repair.
Well, Josh, today we're going to be talking about the different part types and keeping yourself involved in the repair of your vehicle.
Well, Brian, you spend a lot of time in the insurance industry, and if you could help us out here, tell us about the different part types available for your vehicle repair.
Well, Josh, today we're going to discuss 3 main part types: recycled, aftermarket, and OEM.
For our number 7 clip, we're going to go back to episode number 4, but this time we're going to enjoy Sara Young dancing us into this video.
Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts.
Oh, hey everyone! That was Sara Young, our head of marketing. For our number 6 clip, we're going to bounce back to episode number 7, about Vintegrity, where our COO, Dean Ceramelli, talks about our product testing, certification, and our limited lifetime warranty.
So at Original One, the first thing we do is we actually take a part that is a quality salvage part. We take it out of a vehicle via our VIN-to-VIN proprietary process. So we know exactly that this part, the exact OE part that this part is when we get it. It then goes through a complete engineering process that guarantees form, fit, and function. Then we actually put it through a reconditioning process to make it look exactly the way it was when it originally went in the vehicle at the factory.
That's excellent. And our number 5, we're going to go back all the way to the beginning, episode number 1. You'll see the product quality, probably not as good as it was today. It all started with an iPhone and a dream of stardom, or something like that. So, enjoy Friday Fast Facts number 1. I'd like to introduce to you Avery Hodge, our regional sales manager. Hey, Avery.
Hey, Josh.
How are you doing today?
Great, thanks.
Avery, real quick. Friday Fast Facts, 5 times fast.
Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts, Friday Fast Facts.
Wow, I am impressed. For our number 4 clip, we're going to go back to episode number 14, where Robot Avery shares with us how we safely and securely package all of our products before we ship them out to you.
Friday Fast Facts, initiating Friday Fast Facts.
Oh, Avery, what are you doing?
You know, I'm just making sure this box is up to snuff to send out some parts.
Avery, that's clearly a lie because there is no way that is up to snuff. You have cut holes in it for eyes and you've drawn a mouth on there. And is that a gold tooth?
Maybe.
All right, we're to our final three. So coming in at number 3, here's a candidate that I would definitely vote for. Let's see if you agree. At Original One, we care so much about the safety of you, your customers, and your family that we only use OE parts that we've tested and certified for form, fit, and function in order to ensure that you have the utmost safety. We wouldn't want you to put your mother in a vehicle that wasn't safe. Coming in at number 2, something very near and dear to all of us here at Original One as we continue to grow, the opening of our Texas warehouse.
Original One Parts Distribution Center, now open in Dallas, Texas.
And last but not least, our number 1 Friday Fast Facts of the year, the faces of 01, getting to know the inside sales staff. Well, everyone, that concludes our top 10 moments for Friday Fast Facts of 2018. Please tune in again in 2019 for even better content, more explosions, more information, more fun, more laughs. Well, I'm not sure about all that, but I guarantee it'll be good. So thank you all for your support, for tuning in. We couldn't do any of this without you. So sincerely, from everyone here at Original One, we want to wish all of you a safe, happy, and prosperous new year. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the Original One.